Yeah, LotVue has been tremendous. I just thought it'd be something we'd throw on the website. But let me tell you what we're doing a lot. We have replaced the topo tables, the old-fashioned topo tables in our communities with electronic touchscreen computers. They can work their way right in to LotVue. So a customer comes in, they can actually touch on a lot and see all sorts of information. They can see what lots have been sold and that kind of stuff. We replaced maps on the walls that we used to have in our subdivision with televisions, 75-inch TV. But we actually have that plat that's created in LotVue up on the screen. And initially, our sales agents, they didn't really want to go away from their old maps that they would put little pins in and all that, but now they love it. And we have 5 TVs out there, and we'll be expanding more. And basically, we have the LotVue plat of whatever neighborhood they happen to be in, whatever community, on the wall with the LotVue plat. And that's one of the first things they see. And they see the layout of the neighborhood, and they can see, okay, the lots, they see a little legend, so they know what lots are already been sold and what lots are available and what the entire neighborhood will look like. Very valuable when you have a neighborhood of 400, 500, 600 homes.